Today's video is going to be, I don't know if you guys see it, but I'm sure you see from the title. Today's video is going to be a review on Teamy Tea. Now, Teamy Tea is a brand that I was already familiar with before they even reached out to me. I knew a lot of celebrities that use them and all that good stuff, right? So finally, they reached out to me and asked me if I want to try their tea. So of course your girl said yes. How could I turn that down? So they asked me to pick out some things that I wanted, and I picked out two things, I think. So you get a tumbler and you get tea. You can get they had other things, but you can get tea, you can get the detox mask. Definitely should have picked the detox mask. But yeah, guys, so this is what the tumbler came in. This is what the tumbler came in. And let me just tell you, this tumbler is bomb.com. Like, you can use this for fruit infused water. You can use it for anything. It doesn't have to be strictly for the tea that they send you. Use this bottle for anything. It is so compact and it's so cool. I actually had me some tea today, so if it looks a little dingy and a little dirty, that's because I had some today. But it comes with a strainer. You see the little leaves because I had my tea. It comes with the strainer. So that way when you drink your tea, you don't have to worry about anything like, you know, getting in your mouth. And then, hold on. And then it detaches from out of here like this. See, it says Teamy. It's so cute, y'all. My favorite color is pink, and they sent me pink. So this comes apart. So like, you can put little things in here if you want to. I'm not sure what you would put in there, but you put whatever you feel like can fit in there. Overall, I really love this tumbler, and I will use it for any and everything, literally, because especially because it's so cute and how compact it is. Really love it. Teamy, you did your thing with this. On to the tea and how I feel about the tea. Honestly, let me just start with the taste. I love this tea strictly because it tastes so bomb. Okay, the tea tastes very good. All I do is I get a tablespoon of the tea and I add it to the tumbler, and then I boil me some hot water, boil me some water. I get a bottle of spring water, put it in the pan, let it boil for like 35 minutes, put it inside my tumbler with the little tea leaves, and then add a tablespoon of honey, and it tastes exquisite, fire, bomb. So this one is my favorite. Even though they taste the same, this one's my favorite. So this is the Teamy Skinny. Now, this tea is not meant to make you lose weight, but it does give you a boost of energy. It helps speed up your immune system. It makes your immune system a lot more better. Speed up your metabolism, and it helps decrease your appetite. Try to, you know, bring down your appetite a little bit. And there's this detox colon tea. This stuff, a little TMI, but this stuff will have you on the toilet, sis. You will be on the toilet. Take my word for it, okay? And it'll be a nice flowy, you know, restroom break, okay? And the tea tastes good. This one tastes good as well. What I like about these ones is you can reuse them. I'm not sure if you can do that with these, but these can be reused, and it's just so cute when it's in a bottle. And these overall, I definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. They work really good. I have a discount code, which I'm going to put right here on the screen in the description box for you for 15% off. Make sure you go get it, because you know your girl got you. I'm going to hook you up with the discount, period. Okay. So, yeah, I definitely recommend you guys trying it out if you're looking for a detox tea that actually works. This is your go-to. These are your folks, okay? So, try it out. Let me know if you try it out. If it come back to this video, because I'm sure it will come back to this video, let your girl know that it did work. And, yeah, so thank you, Teamy, for letting me try your tea. I really appreciate it. Love you guys so much. And I love my pretty gang babies. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Comment below what you guys want to see next. Until next time, pretty gang.